Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Decortalk. In today's video we will be sharing amazing and excellent ideas. This is so fantastic videos, and this video is all about the modern gardens, grass, wall decor designs. Wall designs ideas, grass wall designs are perfect and amazing and fabulous designs, fabulous videos, and different grass like gardens, first run out, and different second way, first way, and entry way, like different grass walls and different designs. And fabulous and amazing ideas, amazing videos. You look for stunning, perfect editing, perfect ideas. This is a fantastic designs, fantastic ideas for grass walls of garden. Grass wall of gardens, amazing and fabulous designs. Keep watching more gorgeous videos, keep watching more stunning designs and different patterns, different styles and naturals and amazing designs are really more uploaded for you, and total designs of your choice. Keep standing and keep sharing in the same way on, and amazing perfectly designed. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more fantastic and elegant videos we are uploaded for you, and amazing videos, amazing ideas. This is perfectly designs. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my